All motherboards are equipped with input-output bus slots. These are typically located at the bottom rear of the motherboard. These bus slots are also called expansion slots, because these slots are used to expand the capability of the computer. For example, the motherboard doesn't already have a built-in sound card. Then you can add a sound card by inserting one into one of these bus slots, giving your computer the ability to produce sound. Or let's say the motherboard doesn't have enough USB ports to suit your needs. You can add a USB expansion card in one of the bus slots to add more USB ports. Bus slots come in different types. The first ever bus type is ISA, Industry Standard Architecture. ISA slots have 8-bit data path, running at 4.7 MHz. ISA slots are old and slow, and are not seen on modern motherboards, and have been succeeded by the faster PCI slots. PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnect. A modern type bus slot today is PCI. PCI has been around since 1993, and was the standard bus slot for modern motherboards until PCIe Express came out. PCI slots are much faster compared to ISA slots, with a data path of 32/64 bits, with the speeds ranging from 133 to 533 megabits per second. They are also half the physical size in length of the ISA slots. As computers got faster, a lot of people were using their computers for higher-end graphics applications, such as gaming. And as computers became more graphically oriented, the PCI slot is lagging behind and delivering computer graphics data. For this purpose, AGP. The AGP slot was developed. AGP stands for Accelerated Graphics Port, and it was created to assist in accelerating 3D computer graphics. One of the main reasons why AGP is faster than PCI is because AGP has its own dedicated pathway to the processor, unlike PCI. The AGP port is only used for a video card, and it is usually a brown color. PCI Express. PCI is the latest version of bus slots. It is faster than PCI, with speeds up to 4 GB per second. And unlike standard PCI, which transfers data in parallel, PCE transfers data in serial. Transferring data in serial is much faster than parallel, because serial data is transferred in packets. PCI Express is designed to succeed all other PCI bus slots and AGP. And it is not backward compatible with standard PCI because its architecture is very different. There are 4 different slot sizes in PCI Express: PCIe X1, PCIe X4, PCIe X8, PCIe X16. PCIe X1 has 1 lane for data, a lane has 4 wires, 2 are for sending and 2 are for receiving. PCIe X4 has 4 lanes for data. PCIe X8 has 8 lanes for data. PCIe X16 has 16 lanes for data. This slot is the fastest slot because of 16 lanes, and PCIe X16 has succeeded the AGP slot for the video card. AMRA Audio Modem Riser. Some older motherboards may contain a bus slot called AMRA. The purpose of the AMRA was to allow the manufacturers to create motherboards that didn't have analog input-output functions. By using AMRA, this analog function can now be created by inserting an expansion card, such as a modem or a sound card, into the AMRA slot. This slot was developed by Intel in 1998, and about half the size of a standard PCI slot. CNR Communication and Network Riser. CNR was another slot developed by Intel. It was designed to be an improvement over the AMRA. The improvements had over AMRA was it can either software or hardware driven, compared to AMRA, which was only software. And other improvement was it was plug and play compatible, while AMRA was not. But both AMRA and CNR are becoming absolute, because of the increasing number of integrated components the motherboards now come equipped with. Like this video and don't miss upcoming videos, which are very important. Subscribe to Smart Cherry for more knowledge.